My name is Tünde Kulcsár. I am the program coordinator of Green University program of the University of Pécs in Hungary. The University of Pécs launched its Green University program in 2016. In 2021, the UP has participated in the international program of UI GreenMetric World University Rankings for the 6th time and finished among the leaders of the world's green universities on the 42nd place. With this result, it is the first among the Hungarian universities and it reached a high ranking within Central Europe as well. The UP Green University program serves as a catalyst for green innovations that aim to implement sustainable development goals. The UP organized the annual Green Workshop on Sustainability in Higher Education, which was implemented within the framework of the V4 Green University project in 2021. On the Green Workshop, 33 representatives of 12 Hungarian universities participated, providing a possibility to share good practices in the field of sustainability and to map possible joint actions. The University of Pécs participated in the Planet Budapest 2021 Sustainability Expo and Summit. The participants got to know not only the UP's climate and environmental protection and sustainability initiatives, but also the institution and the city itself. The University of Pécs, together with its 4 foreign partner universities, was launching a video campaign within the V4 Green Universities project in 2021. Our aim was to enable university citizens to participate in the climate protection programs of universities with their own ideas. The university created a challenge called Green Idea, the project theme of which was culturally and scientifically quite diverse. In connection with Demola, students could learn how can they be more organized, effective and creative in their everyday life and in their jobs. The University of Pécs established the process of national and international networking. It served as a national coordinator in the UI GreenMetric World University Rankings network. The Green University program of the University of Pécs, as the coordinator of the V4 Green Universities project, supported by the International Visegrad Fund, aims to establish closer international cooperation between the universities of Visegrad and other neighboring states participating in the project regarding the development and implementation of their climate protection programs. The University of Pécs has undertaken to present the climate protection related developments and research areas of the city of Pécs and the UP with an augmented reality supported exhibition installation to the students and the employees of the university, the citizens of Pécs, as well as for any other visitors. I would like to show some activities of University of Pécs. Women in Sciences conference focused on science and technology fields, the benefits of life as a researcher, and the promotion of science to girls and women. Or Environment or Health or Common Future competition aims to teach children from a very young age to live in an environmentally aware and sustainable way. Within the framework of Mumbai project, participants covered a total of 806 1,000 kilometers during their daily cycling. Every week in a thematic breakdown, we gave ideas and daily tips on the subject of plastic-free living in the Plastic-Free July program. We participated in the 7th International Virtual Workshop on UI GreenMetric World University Rankings. We organized Packaging-Free Week with Raccoon Box community for taking food, not trash, from restaurants. The purpose of the Green Gastro program series was to show how the characteristics of a healthy diet were connected to an ecologically more favorable dietary pattern. Within the International Autumn Program Series, Dimas Wahab, the Ambassador Extraordinary and Plenipotentiary of the Republic of Indonesia to Hungary, visited to the University of Pécs. Among the participants of the European Week for Waste Reduction 2021 program series announced by the Ministry of Innovation and Technology in the category of educational institutions, the University of Pécs earned the Most Outstanding Action Organizing Award. We participated in the Planet Budapest. It is the most prestigious international diplomatic meeting on sustainable development in the Central Europe region. You see some activities of other Hungarian universities. Since 2006, the University of Pannonia has been collecting an environmental engineering knowledge base with freely available notes and books for the protection of the environment. Since 2010, Eötvös Loránd University has operated sustainability volunteers and working groups, and their results are at least 2,000 tons of waste to recycle. University of Debrecen created community garden for university citizens and can be used free of charge. Biodiversity program of Károly Gáspár University of the Reformed Church wants to preserve nature, develop attitudes and perform creation protection tasks of Hungary in the long term. Issue project of Budapest Business School aims to develop innovative education tools. The University of Sopron were looking for ideas and student practices related to environmental protection and sustainability in the specified topics. In the future, University of Pécs wants to share good practices through the network system between domestic universities participating in the UI GreenMetric World University Ranking and foreign universities in all wider region. The following events are in the service for UP in the future. Participation in the European Mobility Week and participation in the European Week for Waste Reduction. Representatives of Hungarian universities expressed their wishes to create a common platform providing a possibility to share good practices in the field of sustainability regularly, for organizing joint actions and to build tighter partnerships. Based on this, the University of Pécs contacted other Hungarian universities engaged in sustainable development in order to take joint action for the implementation of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals and furthermore to sign a framework convention in this regard. UP is striving to open a sustainability platform for Hungarian universities as a space for thinking together and for the coordinated sharing of good practices. The convention was signed in 22 September 2022. Pécs was also selected by the European Commission as part of its mission to achieve climate neutrality, in which 100 European cities participate. Therefore, it is in the elementary interest of both the city and the university to cooperate in order for the university, which plays an important role in the life of the city, to become an experimental and innovation center. Thank you for your attention.